To see profit on Webull, start by logging into your account. Once you are on your main screen, navigate to the Portfolio tab. Here, you will find an overview of your account performance. Look for the section that summarizes your holdings and transaction history. This part of the interface will show you the current value of your investments alongside any gains or losses. Next, click on any individual stock or option you're interested in. This action will lead you to the stock's detail page. Here, you can find key metrics such as the current price, the total amount invested, and the profit or loss on that specific investment. Make sure you review the Performance section, which provides a detailed breakdown of how much you have gained or lost since purchasing the asset. If you want a more comprehensive view, utilize the Account Details section. This allows you to see your total equity, profit, and loss across all positions and other relevant financial metrics. You may also view your performance over specific timeframes, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. This feature is especially useful to analyze trends in your investments. Finally, consider setting up alerts for price changes or profit targets. This ensures you remain updated on your investments and can make informed decisions about selling or holding your positions. By actively monitoring your portfolio and taking advantage of Webull's features, you can effectively track and maximize your profits.